Hello friends, this truck is having issue with the coolant level. Coolant level is going down. Whenever we fill the coolant tank, coolant reservoir, it goes down in like 10-15 minutes. So we are going to diagnose the problem. Now we have started the truck just for 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see the coolant level goes all the way down. Look at this. The compressor destroyed lots of things. So now you know that the coolant was coming from the compressor discharge line and coolant went through inside and it damaged the filter as well. So we are going to replace this too, and we are going to clean the air tanks and clean the lines, so just to make sure that there is no coolant and everything is okay. Look, the engine level is too high. The coolant went into the engine oil. Now we have to drain the oil and do the PM service on this one too. So as you have seen, so at the end we have found that the air compressor is bad, and we bought this compressor from the dealer. It's original OEM compressor, and we just got this one 2 days ago, but this is like totally bad from inside, and now we are going to take this out and going to dealer to replace the compressor for us. Maybe it's in warranty or something like that. So even guys, whenever we buy any new part, there is a possibility that the new part could be damaged as well. So this was a new compressor, and you see this one. So we are going to replace with new compressor now. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.